Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to draw different shape of nose. First of all, you are beginners, then you don't have to be nervous. If mistakes happen, then erase it and try it again. This video is only for beginners. Some people think they can't draw properly, but as my opinion, you do practice, then you will get definitely success. So dear subscriber, keep practicing. Okay, let's begin. First of all, I have to take a HB pencil for light outline. Okay, my outline is almost ready. Now I'm going to do a 6B pencil for dark shading. So now our nose is ready. Apply this trick in every realistic drawing. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.